here we are inside the car again, and we're getting ready now to steam clean some of the parts. We have the steam cleaner that's sitting outside, see the model number in the description, and we're going to try and steam some of these parts and see if we can't clean them up. We've got some new microfiber cloths here, so I'll give this a quick squish. Alright, we've got some steam. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the cloth. We're going to use the steam and microfiber cloth. So we start just by gently steaming and rubbing. Just effectively liquefies the dirt, ready to be lifted off. Doesn't work on everything, it's not perfect, but it's a great start. I don't know if you can see that. It's starting to lift off some of the grime. See how we get on with this. See, it's making a difference. It is cleaning. And as we go, that we're in. It's disinfecting to a degree while we're doing this. And we'll treat that with leather cleaner. These bits over here. You can see it's coming up really clean. Put that over there. Right into the edges there. Or into those edges. Really nice and clean. The difference it makes. It does look a lot better. Got to be careful with this trim. It can burn in just little bursts. And then wipe down. Get this car back to immaculate. Just not possible with this car. And it should be possible to get it looking back presentable. Really presentable. Hopefully with a bit of time and attention. Pretty good. Pretty good start. So that is the end of the section on using the steamer.